All right, so it's been a few minutes since we worked on the bus and time to get back at it. While I'm working on it. So today, hopefully what we're going to get done is we're going to finish the flooring over top the wheel wells, which takes a little bit more of just paying attention and actually measuring, which stuff I'm super good at. So we're going to measure that stuff out, hopefully glue that stuff down, and then after having it all glued, then we need to start measuring stuff for getting the bunks all measured out. So we're going to jump in here, start measuring things, cutting them, and hopefully get another chunk of it done today. So we've guesstimated to start off, we're going to do 29. To get the first initial one done. Over here, I think the good part is I can kind of feather a little bit underneath the other one. So we're going to cut this 29 square, and then we'll figure out what we got to do as far as the fold over on the edge.
Daddy did a cut. He's been, we've been at camp doing some stuff, and now he's working on the bus again. So he is gonna glue this down, but I think he's gonna measure it to make sure and flat it on there. So let's see if we can do it.
You do it.
Yeah.
Outside.
I think we got this taken care of.
Really?
I think that looked pretty good.
Yeah.
So I think what we got to do. Where's the video pointed? There you go. So I think what we're gonna have to do is glue it down, and then have something to push down on it to keep it from popping up. I'm still not entirely sure what to do on these corners. I've got some overlap. I don't necessarily mind the overlap, but I think actually it probably would work better doing it that way, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So like, we could like, so we could do like, so like, so let's do that, like tape it down.
Yeah, we're gonna glue it down.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, we can.
All right, so I think we might have this thing handled.
I thought this was the
Table, not
yeah.
quite. So this is what we have. This is my genius idea from Christmas wrapping 101. And I think we might just leave the extra flap there as opposed to cutting it. But just because I like having the fact that the mattress is going to be over top of it anyway, but if there's a seam going this way as opposed to it coming up, I think it's a lot cleaner. So we got to put some glue down on this, and then got to start over on this side. And it would be fantastic if I could just say, hey, sweet, here's a template. We'll just cut the next one out with the exact same dimensions and everything else because we already figured it. Unfortunately, that's not the case because the other wheel well is different sizes and is, I think, sunken down a little bit on the outside. So we're gonna have to try to reconfigure, basically make the same thing just customized to the other side. But the good thing is, once that's done, then we can start working on the bunks. Oh yeah.